In today's video, I am going to teach you how to block YouTube on Google Chrome. Vertical bar, block any web in Chrome browser. Quick and easy. First, open Google Chrome. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. This is where you can find browser extensions that add extra features to Chrome. In the Chrome Web Store, go to the Extensions section and search for BlockSite. Make sure you select the extension with the correct name so you are installing the right tool. After you find BlockSite, click the option to add it to Chrome. Chrome may show a confirmation pop-up before the extension is installed. If that happens, just confirm the installation and wait a moment for it to finish. Once it is added, the extension will be available in your browser and ready to use. Next, go to the website that you want to block. In this example, that could be YouTube, but the same process works for almost any site. Let the page fully load before moving on. This is important because the extension needs to recognize the current page correctly. Now look at the upper right corner of Chrome and click on the extensions icon. This will open the list of installed extensions in your browser. From there, click on Block Site. When the Block Site menu opens, choose the option that says Block Current Site. As soon as you do that, the website will be added to the blocked list. That is the full process. Open Chrome, install BlockSite from the Chrome Web Store. Visit the site you want to block. Open the extension and block the current site. It only takes a minute to set up, and once it is done, the website will no longer be easily accessible through Chrome. That covers everything you need to know.